So you think it's a Halloween?
Yeah, because Halloween.
Yeah, it says Walt Life, not so spooky, delivery. No, why it says ear. Delivery. Alright, so, okay. Go ahead and open the box.
Wow.
Alright, so, ooh.
This is what we wanted.
You got a Funko Pop.
That one we wanted.
Let me see. Let me put it. Look at that. 0. Oh, wow.
Does she play with those?
Yeah, you kind of play with, kind of don't. Alright, so let's, no, don't make a mess. Let's just move it over here. Okay, let's see what else you got in here. So you got this package thing. Okay, is there a tear? Right, I think there is one right there.
Can we get it?
I don't think so. Oh.
You need help? Want Nana help you? Daddy's video.
Go ahead. There's a tear. I also have scissors.
Yeah, I think we're going to have to use the scissors.
And just cut it a little bit, and then she'll tear it.
There
Okay, what's inside there?
we go. There you go. Oh.
What's inside?
A keychain.
Oh, what is it? It's
Who is that?
A Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. Look at that. A little keychain action.
Nothing else?
Wait, I just see something.
And what else? Okay, so what do we got? Oh, what's this?
This is for my hat and gloves.
You say I got hat and glove. Let me see. Put your
Oh, look at that. That is so
here,
cute.
put your hand up here.
Yeah.
Oh, I think
Yeah, that'll fit.
those will fit kind of nice.
Yeah.
And for your hat, look at that.
Oh, that's a pretty color too. It's frozen. It's from Frozen.
Okay.
Yes.
You like that? Yeah. All right. So let's put that over there. I think there's more stuff in here. Oh. All right. Well, hold on. Let's pull it out. Open it up. Let's take a look. Who's on it?
Mickey Mouse. Can you get it?
Oh, here you go. Let's just open and see who it is. No, it's Mickey Mouse on both sides. So you got like a little Mickey Mouse bag. That's kind of
See,
cool.
It's got handles.
There's still, I think, something else.
Oh, goodness.
There's jelly beans. Those are. Oh, watch out. You okay?
Let's open it.
So, oh, rewind. Minnie Mouse jelly beans. And then got all the kind of stop a second. All the flavors. Okay, so we might.
I think there's
Is there anything else in there? I think there's just like cards and stuff. Well, there you go. And then, of course, they do the picture.
Look at
Oh, look at this. A puzzle. So you take it apart. You color it. You color it first, and then you take it apart, and then you can put it together. Okay, so there you go.
Hey, that's pretty cool.
There you go. Look and say it's awesome. Look at me. See.